What's going on, guys? Nick here, and in today's video, I'm gonna talk with you about my all-time favorite topic, and that is sales. You see, after selling over $7 million for my main business, as well as a couple $1 million for other offers and products that I've sold in the past, I've learned a thing or two about what it takes to become a good closer. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna share with you the top 3 most important skills that you must master if you want to be able to bring in new business and make it rain. Alright guys, so if this is your first time here on the channel, welcome. If you guys like what you see, hit the like button below, subscribe. On this channel, we talk about everything from mindset to productivity to how to grow your business. I'm just a guy who's built a 7-figure business, a couple multi-6-figure businesses, and I want to share with you the real strategies and tactics I've utilized in order to do that, so that hopefully you can go out there and see results in your own life. So with that being said, let's jump into today's video. Alright, sales skill number 1 that you must acquire, and that is the art of confidence. Now you might be thinking, Nick, how is that a skill? How is confidence a skill? How do you grow that? Well, here's how you grow it, guys. First off, you must learn how to become self-confident. Now you might be thinking, well, that's easier said than done. Well, here, let me give you the easiest way ever to grow your self-confidence, okay? It's really simple. It's not easy, but it's really simple. Here it is. Do the little things that you say you're going to do. Get up on time. Go to the gym. Make the extra phone call. Okay? There's a lot of people out there who are like, how do I grow my self-confidence? You do it by becoming a person who's worthy of confidence, okay? So if you don't have confidence right now, go out there, do the reps, do what you say you're gonna do, take care of the little things in life, and get on the phone. Confidence is earned, okay? But that's only one half of confidence. There's another piece of confidence you must have that can help carry you, that you must master as well. And that is confidence in the product and service that you are selling, okay? There's an epidemic of horrible products being sold out there, especially in some places in the online marketing space. It's disgusting, okay? So you must have confidence in the product and service that you are selling if you ever want to be able to sell at a high level. If you don't have confidence in what you sell, you're gonna struggle. It's gonna be really hard for you to actually go out there and sell the product at the highest level. So that's skill number 1, confidence, okay? Do the little things that you say you're gonna do. Show up in life. Now, let's move on to sales skill number 2, okay? Sales skill number 2. You must understand the problem of the market, the niche that you're selling to, and be able to relate that to them. Now, what do I mean? Look, guys, all sales is somebody who wakes up and they're in a current situation and they're trying to get to a desired situation, okay? So you must understand where they are here and where they want to go, and how your product or service is what keeps them in between, okay? Takes them from current situation to desired situation. You need to understand that at a highest level. What is the biggest problem that your market is facing, and how can you use your product to demonstrate and show them how you're going to take them from where they are to where they want to go? Very simple, but it's so critical. I didn't understand this for the first 5 years of my selling, okay? If you understand current situation, desired situation, how your product is the only thing that's going to take them there, you're going to sell at a high level. So focus on the market, the niche's problem, and how you can put your solution in there in order to get them where they want to go. All right, guys, so for sales skill number 3, here's what it is. The ability to ask the right questions, okay? I live by a saying when I'm talking to prospects, when I'm teaching my sales teams, okay? And that is this. I never tell the prospect that they need us. I ask them questions that get them to tell me that they need me. Okay, that is a master question asker. If you can ask questions that will agitate the problem, that will discover the true pains, that will discover the real objections of your prospect, that is how you will be able to easily enroll and close new clients. So understand that the questions you ask, the order that you ask them in, are critical for getting the prospect ready to actually buy. So the ability to ask the right questions is the skill number 3. If you guys would like a more in-depth video on any one of these 3 skills, let me know. I'm gonna be doing one on confidence especially, but if you guys wanna know more about what I mean by asking the right questions, let me know in the comments below. Love to hear from you guys. All right, guys, so here are the 3 strategies that you guys must master if you want to dominate in sales. Skill number 1. You must have confidence. You must be able to ask for money. You must be able to get the prospect to believe that you were the one who can solve their problem, okay? Skill number 2, you must truly understand the market's problems, okay? You must understand what their current situation is and their desired situation, and how you're gonna be able to hit them to go from where they are to where they wanna go. That is the absolute critical key to selling. And then skill number 3, that is the ability to ask the right questions, okay? Remember, you never tell the prospect that they need you. You ask them questions to get them to tell you that they need you. That is a life-changing philosophy that will help you go out and close more deals. Now, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.